this video, I will share with you how you can log in Argenta Bank. So friends, if you want to log in, follow me in this video step by step. Go to Google, search for Argenta Bank, click the first result here, and then you will see this official website. So after that, click announce this option, this one, and then when you click this option, you will see this page. This is login page. Just click on English to get your English result, and then write your username here, such your username or user password. For example, username, it is like a password. So friends, for example, this is your username. Click this one. You should be to translate your English to get your better result here. And then click this one icon, login icon. If you want to log in through your app, just download this app on Google Play or App Store. When you download this app, you can log in successfully without any problem. So friends, just click install, and then when you download this app, log in with your all information here. Any question down below in the comments, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. And keep watching, friends.